What's the meaning of brimstone? Brimstone. Brimstone.
Brimstone. Brimstone. Brimstone means sulfur in English. When sulfur is burned, it produces a highly poisonous and flammable gas called sulfur dioxide. This gas can cause severe respiratory problems, eye irritation, and headaches. Sulfur dioxide also contributes to acid rain and damages the environment by harming plant and animal life. In addition, sulfur is used as a key ingredient in gunpowder, insecticides, and fertilizers. While sulfur has important industrial applications, its negative environmental and health effects must be carefully managed to avoid widespread harm.